What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the Globo Product Options app on Shopify and its different features. So let's get right to it. First of all, here as you can see, I've set up a test store or a trial store here on Shopify. And I've added, if I go to my products here, I've added a dummy product, which is a basic hoodie, and I've set 4 variants, which are the sizes, small, medium, large, and X large. And to be able to add more variants and have more control over the variants and the options that I can edit for my product, I can install an app such as Globo. And to do so, you simply go to apps here from the menu on the left or click on add apps, which will sometimes redirect you to the app store, or if in this case it opens up like a list of trending apps, you need to go to Shopify App Store if you don't find Globo app on it. And as you can see here, obviously it doesn't appear here. So I need to click on Shopify App Store and it'll open up the App Store itself on a different page, a different tab. And what you want to do is search for Globo, hit enter. And this is the app that we want, the Global Product Options and Variant, which is built for Shopify. As you can see, it has a high rating of 4.9 stars, and it also has a free plan available, so that's pretty cool. Now, to install it, click on it, and you can go ahead, scroll down, and read more about the features of the app, as well as compare the plans. Here you have the free plan. However, it limits you to 5 option sets, color, images, swatches. However, in the premium and pro plan, you have more options and more control. However, for this video, we'll settle for the free plan for now. Go ahead up and click on install. And in this new tab that opens, click on install once again. And now it's installed and it'll redirect you to the app's dashboard. And here you have a comparison of the plans as well as the pricing. Now, if you pay annually, you will save on the prices. However, this is the current plan, the free plan, and we will settle for it for now. And now click on continue as free, or if you want to upgrade to a plan, you can start the free trial for this plan. However, I'll continue as free for now, continue as free. Okay, and now you don't have any option sets. You can go ahead and create a new option set here. And in the options for the app, you have the templates, you have settings. Let's go to templates pretty quickly to view the templates. And here I have templates for different kinds of products, such as phone cases, keychains, glasses, and so on. So if you do have, or you do offer or sell a product here amongst them, or a similar product, you can go ahead and view the options set for this specific product. For example, let's go to glasses here and view as demo. And here you have options such as color and lens type, which are, of course, some variants specifically made for glasses. So you can apply them to your glasses if you do already sell glasses. Now let's close this template and let's go ahead and view the settings. And here I can edit the widget position here and the alignment and the show swatch tooltip, as well as some other settings right here in the product page and card type. And you can get a preview here on the right. This is the preview. Okay, looking good. Now let's go ahead back to the dashboard itself and let's create an option set here. Okay, and here it is in the editor, and this is how it'll look like. Now let's add an element. Okay, now the single input, we can add options for the clients to edit single input, text area, number. Of course, some of them are for the paid plan only. Now let's add a checkbox. Okay, and this is how it'll look like. Of course, you need to add the title and the options. And if you click on checkbox, let's edit the label here. Now let's say we are adding some print options on the hoodie to let the customer choose from. So print options, and as you can see, it edits up here in real time. Let's say the option 1 is front. Okay, and let's add another one, which is, for example, back. So let's say we offer a print or a design on the front and on the back. So a customer can choose if they want the design on the front only or on the back only, or both designs printed on front and the back. Of course, I will provide different designs, a design to be printed on the front and another design to be printed on the back. So here they can choose one or the other. Okay, and we can also add pricing for each print, so that if he wants the print on the front, he will add like $10, and if he wants on the back, he will add an additional $10. However, this feature is set for the pro users or for the upgraded plan. Now here I can remove this element, or I can add it. Now I can save it or add another element. So this print option is now set. I can add another option, let's say a text. Let's say I want to give the customers option to write whatever they want on the t-shirt and on the hoodie, and I'll print it for them. So let's edit the text here, label custom text. And if they want this to be added, or a custom text to be added and printed or on their hoodies, they'll need to pay extra. However, this feature is reserved for the pro users. I cannot enter a certain amount. Okay, and I don't need to add anything. They'll have a custom text here, which in an empty box, and they'll enter the text that they will want to be printed on their hoodie. Okay, and let's go ahead and add another variant. Okay, add element, and this time let's add a color swatch. Okay, so if I'm offering, for example, a background color for the design, I can let the customers choose the background color they want on their hoodie. Of course, that's not to be confused with the color of the hoodie itself, which will be set in another setting. Now the color swatch. Okay, let's say I will offer the background in white and in black and red. Okay, and I can set a custom price or a custom like extra price for each color. Now the white, I can have a color swatch. Of course, this is the white. Okay, save. And I can also on the same swatch add two colors, which is pretty cool. However, I'll settle for only one. Now the black, I will edit the color here on the color swatch to make it black. And on the red, let's make it a bright red right here. Save, and as you can see, the options are updated in real time. Okay, I say this is enough for now. Let's save it. Please select the product to apply. Okay, we didn't select the product itself. And here I can manually enable the option for certain products, since of course I need to enable these options. These are for like clothing. And here it'll search my products, and I want to apply them for the basic hoodie that I have. And if you have other products of other types, let's say you are selling like hoodies and pendants, keychains like that, you want to apply these options specifically for clothing. Or if you are only selling hoodies or clothing, you can choose this option to apply or enable these variants or options for all the products that you have. Okay, and now let's click on save. And once you've saved all the settings and added your product, that's pretty much it. These options will now be added to your products page for your customers to be able to access them. Now, of course, you'll need, if you don't see them on your product page, you'll need to go ahead into your theme settings or customization settings to enable the widget or to add the option to your product page. And that's pretty much it. And that's how easy it is to install the Global Product Option app on Shopify and to use it to add more variants to your products.